Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make smart purchasing decisions. In today's episode, we'll be comparing two drones that are perfect for capturing stunning aerial shots. We have the drone and the brushless motor drone with camera. Let's dive into the comparisons and find out which one is the best fit for you. The drone comes with a 1080p camera that can be manually adjusted to capture the perfect angle. It's great for taking interesting photos and videos, and even for inspecting hard-to-reach areas. You can also connect your smartphone to the drone via Wi-Fi and use the HITURBO FPV app to capture video or images. The brushless motor drone with camera takes it up a notch with a 4K 120 degrees manually adjustable lens and a 110 degrees wide-angle lens. This allows for a broader shooting range and a breathtaking field of view. You can even enjoy real-time panoramic views and easily share them on your social media platforms through the app. The drone comes with two rechargeable batteries, each providing approximately 12 minutes of flight time. By swapping and charging the batteries in rotation, you can extend your fun time in the sky. Just keep in mind that more flips and faster speeds will reduce the flight time per battery. The brushless motor drone with camera goes above and beyond with its flight time. It comes with two 1,600 mAh batteries, allowing for a total flight time of up to 40 minutes. This is perfect for longer aerial adventures and capturing those epic shots. The drone is designed with beginners and kids in mind. It's easier to operate compared to other drones, making it a great choice for those just starting out. It also comes with features like altitude hold, 3D flip, headless mode, one-key takeoff landing, speed adjustment, and even voice control. It's a versatile drone that guarantees a fun and enjoyable flying experience. The brushless motor drone with camera also offers a wide range of functions to cater to your needs, from high-speed rotation and gesture control to headless mode and one-key takeoff landing. This drone has it all. It even comes with a detailed tutorial and 24-hour customer service to ensure you have a seamless flying experience. The drone is highly praised for its camera quality and ease of use, making it a popular choice for beginners. On the other hand, the brushless motor drone with camera receives rave reviews for its impressive 4K camera, long battery life, and extensive range of features. And there you have it, folks. We've compared the drone and the brushless motor drone with camera in terms of camera quality, battery life, and features. Each drone has its strengths, but ultimately, the brushless motor drone with camera emerges as the winner with its 4K camera, longer flight time, and extensive range of functions. Remember, it's important to consider your specific needs and preferences when choosing a drone. We hope this comparison has helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Until next time, happy flying.